What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So here's the Sony a6400. If you are confused should you shoot in the fine or standard, first you need to go to the camera setting. Okay, let me put in the aperture mode. So right now we have aperture mode, menu, camera setting 1, file format, standard or JPEG or extra fine. Extra fine mean low quality, fine mean medium quality, standard mean high quality. But extra fine mean low in size, fine mean in medium size, standard mean in high side. For best quality use standard. For best saving the size use extra fine or fine. For example, once upon a time I was on honeymoon, my memory card was lost, only I left with 8GB and I was shooting raw. So first thing I did was that turn off the raw, put only in JPEG, and I used the fine and standard. Is not much of a quality difference, because after I editing the photo I always make the size lower, like 1MB. The standard will be like around 8MB. So fine is fine is one of the best, I think so, for a lot of folk out there. If you don't want to print large size, even for editing fine is best. But if you have a 128GB card, then select standard. Standard mean best quality, fine mean low in size. That's all I can say. Yeah, subscribe and bye.